Alright guys, so we have seen this before. So from this set of data, we have input y and also output, input u and output y. So we want to find the system's representation, okay, and given this equation by using least square estimation method. Okay, so this is the equation given. Okay, we are asked to find what is the coefficient A and also B. Okay, so once we have this A and B, so we know the equation already, so that is the representation or the transfer function of the equation. Okay, zeta can be find earlier, later, since we know that if we have equation, the constant is actually the intersection of y axis. Okay, so if we find the x equals to 0, so we find the equation, the value of y, so that is the value of zeta. So we omit this first, we only find what is the value of A and also the value of B. Okay, since we can see here y, and this one also y, and u is given from the data. Okay, so what left is A and B to for us to find the value. Okay, so here we know that the value, the data is from k equals to 1 until 4 only, so we have 4 sets of data. Okay, and then from this equation we can see that it only involves k and k minus 1, k minus 1, k. So it means that we need to have two sequential value of k. Since we have 4 value of k here, so we have 3 sequences, 1 and 2, 2 and 3, and also 3 and 4. Okay, so it means that from this equation and from 4 sets of data, we can have 3 simultaneous equation. Okay, the first one is the black one here, k plus 1, starts from this equation. Okay, and k and also k plus 2, so we have k plus 1, k plus 2, and also we have k negative 1, k, and also k plus 1. So from this set study, a set of equation data just now, so we can have k equals to 2, so that k minus 1 is here, and then we have k plus 1, k plus 2. See, from here we just have k minus 1 until k plus 2. So k is 2, k minus 1 is 1, k plus 2 is 4, k plus 1 is 3. Okay, so we will get these three simultaneous equation. Okay, and this simultaneous equation can be compared to our general equation. Usually we use y equals to mx plus c, right? Where c is the intersection, so this zeta. So we omit zeta first. So what left is y equals to, usually we use mx, where m is the coefficient, x the given value. Okay, so notation here is y equals to theta beta. Okay, so from these three simultaneous equation, you can see that y and beta, y and theta is already there. Okay, what we are looking for is the beta value. Okay, the m, y equals to mx, so the m, the coefficient. Okay, so what is y and what is theta is given here. This is straight away from these three simultaneous equation. This is y, this is y. Okay, yk plus 1, and yk plus 2. It means that y2, y1, y3, and also y4. Okay, so this is the value. Okay, 0.648, 0.481, and negative 0.615. So it's all here. Okay, for the theta, okay, we look back in this equation. What is given is this value of y and also the value of u. Okay, so we have two uh, row of values. Okay, the first value is the y, just now, yk minus 1, yk, and yk plus 1. So this is y. K minus 1 is 0.44. So these values are here. Okay, and then since we have negative, right, so we have negative, 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 so the value also here we put negative on it. Okay, so instead of this value, so we have this value. Okay, and then the beta, the b, sorry, okay, so this b and b, okay, the unknown, but we know this value u, and u. Okay, so this u, k minus 1, k, and k plus 1 is this one. This one is from here, negative 1, 1, and negative 1. Okay, so from this equation, no negative, so we put this, take this value straight away and put it here. Okay, so this one is given, y and theta is given. Okay, from this equation, y and theta is given. What we are looking for is the beta, the coefficient that we don't know. Okay, so how to find it is by using this general equation of least square estimation, where we know that we have y and also theta. So we find the theta transpose, the theta, we multiply it, and then we find the inverse. And then we take the theta inverse times the value of y from here. Okay, so for these two, it goes up here. So theta transpose times y. So this is theta transpose, this is y, so this is the result, the multiplication. For this one, theta transpose theta, it goes here. Okay, so theta transpose theta, so this is the result. And then when we inverse it, so this is the value. Okay, so we take this value to here, and also we take this value to here. So we have this equation, multiply everything, so we'll get this beta hat. Okay, so beta hat have two values, which is actually the a and b. So a and b is here lah. So a and b. Okay, so this one is manually we can solve it. How we can use MATLAB by the use of the aid of computer to solve it, we will look after this.